सर्विस कमीशन द्वारा आयोजित एलटी ग्रेड इंग्लिश 2025 एग्जामिनेशन का प्रैक्टिस हम लोग करेंगे। वन लाइनर लेकर के मैं उपस्थित हूँ। आप लोग ध्यान से सुनिए और याद कीजिए। ओल्ड इंग्लिश पीरियड। ओल्ड इंग्लिश लिटरेचर is also known as Anglo-Saxon literature. The Old English period begins with the Germanic invasions. Old English literature ends with the Norman conquest. Beowulf is the greatest epic of the Old English period. Beowulf is an anonymous epic poem. Old English poetry is written in alliterative verse. The common theme of Old English literature is heroism. Old English literature is mostly religious and heroic. Caedmon is the first known English poet. Canulf is a religious poet of the Old English period. The language of this period is called Anglo-Saxon. Elegies are an important part of Old English poetry. The Wanderer is an Old English elegy. The seafarer reflects melancholy and exile. Old English prose developed mainly for religious purposes. King Alfred is known as the father of English prose. Anglo-Saxon chronicle is a historical record. Old English poetry does not use rhyme. Christian and pagan elements coexist in Old English literature. The Scop was a court poet in Anglo-Saxon society. Middle English period. The Middle English period begins after the Norman conquest. French influenced English during the Middle English period. Geoffrey Chaucer is the greatest poet of this period. Chaucer is called the father of English poetry. The Canterbury Tales is Chaucer's masterpiece. Chaucer wrote in the London dialect. Middle English literature marks the beginning of modern English. Piers Plowman is an allegorical poem. William, Land, William Langland wrote Piers Plowman. Middle English drama originated from mystery and miracle plays. Morality plays deal with moral lessons. Everyman is a famous morality play. Middle English literature shows realism. Chaucer's characters represent all sections of society. Prose developed slowly during this period. Morte d'Arthur was written by Sir Thomas Malory. Middle English poetry uses rhyme. Middle English period is also called the Age of Chaucer. French vocabulary enriched English language. Middle English literature became more secular. इस तरह से और भी एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड वन लाइनर प्राप्त करने के लिए लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें कि किस टॉपिक पर आपको वन लाइनर चाहिए। थैंक यू।